Go ahead.
So I'm Jersey, and Ichin is also on the project.
Yeah. Hello, I'm Yichen.
And so the goal of the project is to create a social media app to help Lehigh students connect with alumni. And we're focused on making it a social connection through the Lehigh experience, as opposed to LinkedIn, which is very formal. So this project started during the summer of 2022. And initially it started out as a Web3 based project. However, we decided to move away with that. And if you want to create and incorporate Web3 in the future, we would suggest using like NFTs or making a badge. So if you join a club or an organization, then you'd get a badge on the website, but that's further down the road. And we linked the poster from this summer, so you can see what exactly happened. And then in the fall, we surveyed about 30 Lehigh students. Most of them are undergrads, and the key takeaways from the surveys was that we discovered that GroupMe was the most popular social media app for current students, the 30 that we surveyed, and we wanted to see why that was so popular. And something important that we also discovered is that we could build our app around the sub-communities, and if eventually you want to advertise it, maybe advertise at the library booth. The survey is also linked here. And in the event you want to survey alumni, we would recommend seeing how they currently connect with students, and don't make it as lengthy as our student survey.
Okay, then we move to Figma. We use Figma for the interface design. Let me share my screen. Sorry. So here we move to the Figma online design, interface design. We first search a lot of software and the popular app interface to make sure how many nodes do we need in the menu tab, and what are the function. And we have the WeChat interface, we have the Instagram interface, also the LinkedIn interface, and we got and we use them as our reference. Then we move to our own interface design. So what we did are we assume we are the login member. So we need to have the login interface. Let me zoom in. Then we enter, create a new account, or you already have one. Then after you log in, you will come to the home page. Then we also have the chat interface, at the home interface. So basically what we did here, just to broad interfaces, just try to create the interface as much as possible. And then when we finish all the interface, oops, let me move this one. We link them together, as you can see here. Then you can, from the login interface to any point, to any interface you like. So this step is broad. Then the next step is called refine. I tried here. It's like you can create an new morphism tag to the UI design. I try to use the technique in our profile page, but the result was not very desirable. And then after the Figma design, we move to the Mighty Network. Yeah, the Mighty Network, we create the Lehigh community. As you can see in the left side, we have the feed, discover, events, and every member join this this Mighty Network will be shown below. And also you can use your own, you can create your own club you like. And then since this is the MFE program, so we're mainly focusing on the MFE program. We have the MFE chat, we have the meeting like what we have in Friday. And also we have coding help, network, building models. So in this part, we not only can solve the academic questions on campus, but also we can establish our network, expand our network. And finally, we have the interview advice so that more people can get help from this. Yeah, so that is basically what we have. Oops.